This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Chevrolet MyLink, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Speedway Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars and used vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit us today at 5101 West 38th Street in Indianapolis, or see us online at andymohrspeedwaychevrolet.com.